Hi fooders, let's make this spinach sauce. So amazing. So in your pot you're going to add some vegetable oil, ginger and garlic paste and some chopped onions. You're going to give that a good stir, allow it to fry for a few, and then go in with your pepper mix. I use bell peppers and chili pepper for this. So give that a good stir fry for about 5 minutes or until you start to see oil, and then add in a little bit of water, salt and seasoning. I don't really like using so much spices in my spinach sauce, so you're going to just go in with some thyme and curry, just a little bit. Give everything a good stir, and then you go in with your spinach. You're going to of course wash the spinach with water and salt to kill all germs and all that. Give everything a good mix, cover and allow it to simmer for a few minutes because you wouldn't want your veggies to be overcooked. Go in with your protein. I use lightly fried fish and some spring onions. Stir very well, cover and allow it to simmer for a few seconds, and your sauce is ready. What will you be pairing this sauce with? I paired mine with white basmati rice. It was so good, and you can finish this sauce in about 30 minutes or less. Let me know if you will be trying this in the comment section. Bye.